There's a really, really exciting field of how drones are being used for scientific purposes. The idea is that the drone itself is the flying machine, but we can attach different types of sensors to the drone to get different types of data, so they can get a whole suite of information depending on what your needs are.
I see the most amazing uses out there on the internet and in news stories. I have read stories about people using drones to pollinate almond trees. In some of the work I do, we're using drones in prescribed fire for situational awareness. We even see stories about drones delivering medical goods to places that are really rural. There is so much going on, so we feel like this is a great time for UNC to join in a little bit more formally.
In my lab, we employ a variety of research tools and techniques to try to understand coral reef response to global change. Some of the prior work that we've done, it involves scuba diving or snorkeling, but there are other ways that we can access the data that we actually want to acquire, and I think drone expands that a little bit. What this has done, it has given me the opportunity to think of my research question in different ways. That's one of the things that I really like about coming to this workshop.
So I'm an undergraduate student in the environmental science department, and I was like, oh, well, you know, I definitely should take this because I feel like it would apply to what I want to do in the future with my career. UNC is known for having a lot of undergraduate research, but I feel like incorporating drones into that research for undergraduates would be huge.
So the ultimate goal for Jeff and I is to have a drone center where we can have collaborators and students and researchers all coming together, whether it's for training and education, exploring new innovative technologies that maybe commercial off-the-shelf drones don't offer, teaching other students to then go take it into their work. That's exactly what the class is going to do. Once folks have the confidence, then they'll start imagining a use.